Hi, and welcome to another Whimsy Stamps product reveal. Today I am sharing the new Stuff Word die set. Now there are 10 dies total in this die set, and it's a variation of words and letters. You can either cut them apart using some wire cutters, or you can also twist and bend them apart. I'm going to run my die through the die cutting machine with some orange paper so you can see all of the different letters. So we have the word crew, and we have the letters S and O. We have the word it, and we have the word tough. Well, half of a word, tough. And we have the letters E, D, the letter H, and you can arrange these in different ways. So like we have stuffed crew, we have the word O, O-H. We also have the letter Y, so you can make stuffy. And we also have the letter S in a smaller size, so a capital and lowercase, and an asterisk to help you with making maybe some naughty words. I used the sentiment stuffed crew using these die cuts on my little Panda card. You can use the links down below to see all of the brand new items released today. And make sure you also check out all of our social media like our Instagram and Pinterest, as well as our Facebook group for even more inspiration. Bye!